When one looks at discoloration or yellowing at the top part of the foliage, there are two primary problems that typically occur. The most common one is the interveinal, that is, yellowing between the veins that occurs when iron is deficient. This is the most typical symptomology you would see in field production of strawberries. Not so typical is sulfur deficiency. In contrast, it's more of an overall yellowing. This is the beginning stage of the deficiency. It starts in the middle and then works its way up to the upper parts of the leaves. So the type of symptomology, interveinal chlorosis with iron deficiency versus total chlorosis with sulfur deficiency, will help you differentiate between these two nutritional disorders with strawberries.